Hey there, how you doing? Are you the homeowner by chance?
Hey man, don't come to no black house as a white face. State your motherfucking business, man.
Okay, my name's John.
I don't play them motherfucking games, alright? We in fucking America.
I understand.
So state your fucking business, man. Don't fucking
John.
ask me on the homeowner, my hair long, none of that shit. Come state your fucking business.
Okay, I apologize. I was here.
You know what I'm saying? What you thought was what you know? Black people here, what? Then state your fucking business.
Okay. Solar, but
Yeah, I already went solar. Look in the backyard at 68 pounds. Get off my property.